Kumbakonam. Kumbakonam is a city in the Thanjavur district in the southeast Indian state of Tamil Nadu. It's located at a distance of 40 kilometers from Thanjavur and 273 kilometers from Chennai. Sandwiched between two great rivers of southern India, Kaveri and Arsala, the town is one of the oldest in Indian history and known for its famous temples and Chola heritage. Adi Kumbeshwarar Temple. Located in the town of Kumbakonam, Adi Kumbeshwarar Temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva, who is worshipped here as a Lingam, and Parvati Devi as Mangalambigai. One of the 127 temples on the southern banks of the river, the temple has 3 gopurams in the eastern, northern and western directions. The east gopuram consists of 9 stories and rises to a height of 128 feet. Kashi Vishwanathar Temple. Another famous temple in Kumbakonam, here Shiva is worshipped as Kashi Vishwanathar and is represented by the Lingam. His consort Parvati is depicted as Vishalakshi. The temple is located near the Mahamaham tank. It has 2 pragarams and a 72 feet high Rajagopuram. Mahamaham tank. A huge temple tank located in the heart of Kumbakonam town. It covers an area of 6.2 acres and is trapezoidal in shape. The tank is surrounded by 16 small shrines and 20 wells, also called holy water. These wells are named after 20 holy rivers flowing across India. It is believed that taking a dip or sprinkling water of the tank on the bodies cleanses all sins. Once in 12 years, the Hindu Kumbh Mela festival is celebrated here. Nageshwarar Temple. This is the oldest and the most prominent temple of Tamil Nadu. Nageshwarar Swami or Nagaraja, the Serpent King, a form of Lord Shiva, is the main deity of the temple. The design and orientation of the temple is structured in such a way that it allows the sun rays inside the temple only during the month of Chitrai. Constructed during the 9th century by King Aditya Cholan, the temple is a great architectural marvel. The temple consists of 3 gopurams in the eastern and western directions. Ramaswamy Temple. Located in the center of Kumbakonam town, Ramaswamy Temple is dedicated to Lord Rama, an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. It was constructed by Govinda Dikshidhar, the Prime Minister of the Nayaks. The temple has a 3-tiered gopuram surrounded by walls. Beautiful carvings of various gods and different avatars of Lord Vishnu are carved in this hall. Scenes from the great Indian epic Ramayana has been painted in the inner prahara of this temple. Chakrapani Temple. Dedicated to Lord Vishnu, this temple is located 2 kilometers away towards northwest from the Kumbakonam railway station. An exquisite exponent of early temple architecture, the main deity here is Chakraraja, a form of Lord Vishnu who holds the discus in his hand. Constructed in 1620 by Govinda Dikshidhar, the temple is noted for its exquisite pillars. Sharangapani Temple. Sharangapani is the largest and the tallest Vishnu temple in Kumbakonam. The Rajagopuram, or the main gateway, has 11 tiers and has a height of 173 feet and has figures representing various religious stories. Kumbakonam is a busy commercial center. Nestled along with the Kaveri River, the seat of the medieval South Indian power, the town is filled with dozens of colorful gopurams pointing skywards. Accommodation facilities from 700 rupees to 10,000 rupees are available in Kumbakonam. There are numerous bus services from different parts of Tamil Nadu to Kumbakonam. The nearest railway station is at a distance of 2 kilometers. The nearest airport is the Tiruchirappalli International Airport at a distance of 91 kilometers.